Did you know that asteroids can have moons, rings, and tails?
Really? That's cool. So why did the rocket scientist stop working on the project?
Why?
Because he had no comet.
Ugh. We're here today to learn about comets and asteroids.
Welcome Associate Professor Brian Jackson from Boise State University's Physics Department and Camille Eddy, the Boise State University NASA Microgravity Team Leader, to answer students' questions.
It's great to be here.
Happy to be here.
Here we go. Hi, my name is Katrina. I go to Liberty Elementary School, and my question is, how are asteroids formed?
Asteroids are formed from the leftover material after the sun and the planets formed. So they're collections of rock and dust that agglomerated over millions of years a long, long time ago, right at the birth of our solar system.
Hi, my name is Maximo, and I go to Cynthia Mann Elementary School. And my question is, how fast do comets travel in space?
So comets on average travel about 24 kilometers per second, or 15 miles per second.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I go to Lewis and Clark Middle School, and my question is, how frequently do comets pass the Earth?
Comets enter the inner solar system every few months, really. Some years you get many comets in a single month.
Hi, my name is Austin. I go to A.J. Winters Elementary School. My question is, why do comets have tails?
So comets contain ice, which when they get closer to the sun, they tend to stream out those particles. They expel the particles, and that's what we see in orbit.
My name is Cody, and I go to the intermediate school, and my question is, did comets really bring water to Earth?
Actually, it's a little bit of a mystery where the Earth's water comes from. A lot of it was probably delivered by comets, but the isotopic composition of the ice in comets is somewhat inconsistent with the isotopic composition of water in the Earth's oceans. And so it's not clear exactly where all of Earth's water came from, although comets probably delivered a large fraction of it.
Hi, my name is Jaron, and I go to Cynthia Mann Elementary School. And my question is it possible to see asteroids and comets from Earth?
Sometimes it's hard to see asteroids and comets from Earth, especially without an unaided eye, so without a telescope. But the easiest part of a comet to see would be its tail when it's closer to Earth.
My name is William. I go to Eagle Elementary School of the Arts. My question is, what's inside an asteroid?
The largest asteroids are actually big enough that they've differentiated. So deep in the interior is iron and other metals, and then as you move to the exterior, you encounter more and more rock. Some of the smallest asteroids are actually so low in gravity, though, that they're full of holes. They have very high porosity. So in some cases, asteroids are full of metals and rocks. In other cases, asteroids are full of empty space.
Hi, my name is Caden, and I go to Cynthia Mann Elementary School. And my question is, has a comet ever hit our moon, and how many?
Comets impact the moon quite a bit. There are a lot of impact craters that you can see from the moon, and that happened from different meteorites, comets, and asteroids hitting the moon.
My name is Colin, and I go to Cynthia Mann Elementary School. And my question is, can asteroids turn into comets?
Sometimes scientists have a hard time differentiating between what are comets and what are asteroids, basically because comets contain ice and asteroids don't. And after many times around the sun, comets will start to lose their ice. So generally, I would say comets don't turn into asteroids, but sometimes there's a hard time to differentiate between which is which.
Hi, my name is Alex, and I go to Taylor's Crossing Public Charter School. And my question is, how big is the biggest comet?
So Comet Cerebat has a core that's about 100 miles wide. And Comet MacNaught has a core that's about 15 miles long, but its tail is about 139 million miles long.
Hi, I'm Sarai Dominguez. I go to Hawthorne Elementary, and I want to know if comets go faster in outer space or when they're coming down to Earth.
Most comets orbit the sun, and so as they come in from very far away, they get accelerated by the sun's gravity to tens of thousands of miles an hour. When they strike the surface of the Earth's gravity can also accelerate them, so comets can come in very fast to the Earth.
My name is Brayden. I go to A.J. Winters, and my question is, how do they name comets?
So comets are typically named after the person who discovered them, but they can also have a numerical name, which is based on what kind of orbit they have, what year they were discovered, what part of the month they were discovered in, and then what the number the discovery was.
Hi, my name is Audra, and I go to Compass Public Charter School. My question is, what is the average size of a comet?
The nuclei of comets, the centermost rock and ice ball, can span tens of miles across, so they can be quite large, but their tails, as they begin to vaporize and approach the sun, can span across the sky as seen from the Earth and extend hundreds of millions of miles in space.
Hi, my name is Justin, and my question is, why do asteroids explode when they hit the Earth's atmosphere?
Asteroids come into the Earth's atmosphere with very high speeds, about 11 kilometers per second or higher. And so as they come into the atmosphere, they become heated by the friction with the atmosphere, and that substantial heating can actually cause the asteroids to vaporize very quickly, and in some cases even explode in the atmosphere.
Hi, my name is Brooks, and I go to school in Utah, and my question is, are there any useful materials that can be found on asteroids?
So in asteroids, there are some cool materials that are there. They're called precious materials here on Earth, like gold, copper, zinc, platinum, tungsten, and many other things that we would actually like to potentially mine to bring back on Earth.
That's all the time we have for this podcast.
And thank you for listening. If you want to learn more about science topics, be sure to subscribe to the Science Trek podcast.
And for more information about asteroids and comets, check out the Science Trek website. You'll find it at sciencetrek.org.
Funding for Science Trek is provided by the Laura Moore Cunningham Foundation, the Idaho National Laboratory, and supporters like you. Thank you.